Welcome to the BariGirls Kitchen. I'm Linda.
And I'm Kylie.
Well, today we're here making it count by showing you a delicious variety of salad jars. We have our sweet, savory, and spicy jars today.
Oh, I'm so excited about this. One key thing to remember about salad jars is dressing goes on bottom.
That's right.
Dressing always goes on bottom.
Layers involved in this, and of course the ingredients, each in their own, have great benefits for you.
Yes, such as our sweet potato and quinoa jar salad here. Mom, this one is wonderful because not only is it hearty and vegan, but it is also easy to make.
So as we talked about the layers, of course it's the salad dressing on the bottom,
yes,
right? And then it's vegetables, like hearty vegetables that you wouldn't mind getting in the salad dressing. So think of things that you wouldn't mind being pickled, if you would.
So next up we have our spicy Southwest chicken jar. Oh yes, and if you like a little kick, a little spice, and everything nice, you're really gonna like this.
All right, so we have our salsa, corn, black beans, tomatoes, onions, celery, chicken, cheese, our greens, and on top,
a surprise,
our boiled eggs.
Some of the benefits of hard-boiled eggs are, number one, they are high in protein. And then number two, it makes a wonderful side dish or maybe a little side add-on to any meal that you have.
And did you know that consuming boiled eggs helps with minimizing blood glucose fluctuations, which for diabetics like myself, those are music to my ears.
Our last jar is one of the crowd's favorites and my favorite, our Thai chicken jar. Now the color, look at the color in this. I'm just in heaven with this. It's so appealing, and it's the dressing for me, Mom. It's the dressing for me. It's, oh my goodness, I just can't. My mouth is watering right now.
Our chicken Thai salad jar, of course, we have our delicious Thai dressing, we have carrots, cucumbers, edamame, our chicken, our nuts, and our lettuce.
Last layer would be ingredients that are less palatable when wet, such as nuts, lettuce, spinach, arugula, those things like that. The variations for jarred salads are endless, so have fun with it.
Now, to complete the deliciousness of this meal, we have vegetables and fruit flavors added to our water pitcher. This is a delicious way to get more water into our diet.
The sliced cucumbers, lemon, and mint make it just appealing to the eye. And I have my glass here.
We all need to consume more water. Water has multiple benefits. It helps boost immunity, helps rid your body of toxins, and it helps to hydrate the body, which we all need.
Oh man, definitely need that water. And what better way to have it?
There you have it, more healthy ideals for you and your family.
Don't forget to leave a like and follow us, the BariGirls, for more healthy, flavorful, and fun recipes.
And when you try these at home, please leave us a comment and let us know how you
make it count. The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House. BariGirls out.